In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open two QuickBooks desktop company files at the same time. If you manage more than one company, being able to view two QuickBooks desktop files side by side can save you a lot of time. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through opening a second company file without closing the first, so you can compare reports, enter transactions, or cross-check details seamlessly. Start by opening QuickBooks Desktop on your computer. Log into your first company file as you normally would. Once you're in, take a quick look at the company name in the title bar so you're confident you're working in the right file. It's a small detail, but it helps avoid mistakes when you have multiple windows open later on. Now, with the first company file open, go to the File menu in the top left corner. From there, choose Open or Restore Company. On the screen that appears, select Open a Company File. Then click Next. This tells QuickBooks that you're opening an existing file, not creating a new one or restoring from a backup. Browse to the location of your second company file. This might be on your local drive or a network location, depending on how your files are organized. Select the file and click Open. QuickBooks will launch the second company in a new, separate QuickBooks window. This is exactly what we want. Two active windows, each tied to a different company file, so you can work in both at the same time. To move between the two, use your Windows taskbar to click the window you want, or press Alt+Tab on your keyboard to switch quickly. Notice that each window has its own title bar with the company name. Keeping an eye on that name before you save transactions or run reports is a great habit, especially when you're multitasking. A couple of tips to keep things smooth. Performance may vary depending on your computer, so if you're running large reports in both windows, give QuickBooks a moment to catch up. Some features may be limited in a second instance, and you might see prompts based on your access level. Simply follow the on-screen guidance. It's also a good idea to save your work frequently, just as you normally would, and consider labeling each window by arranging them side by side on your screen. When you're done, close each QuickBooks window separately, making sure you've saved any changes in both files. That's all there is to it. If this video helped, please like, subscribe, and share.